Okay, y'all, so I know I asked y'all, did y'all want my cashew cheese sauce recipe? Sorry that it took so long, but I'm here now. So first, you're gonna start off with you a cup of unroasted and unsalted cashews, just 1 cup. Then you're gonna add all your seasonings and stuff, and I will have the seasonings and all the measurements on the screen, so you don't have to worry about that. Add that to a cup. Then you're gonna take you some boiling water. Make sure it's boiling and super hot. You're gonna pour that in there. Let me make sure I cut this stove off. And then you're gonna blend it. Y'all, and I'm making this video in real time, so it ain't gonna be no edits, so you can see exactly how long it took me to make this. So now I'm gonna take my cashew cheese sauce, and I'm just gonna pour it in a bowl. Make sure you get it out, because cashews is not cheap. Hold on, let me get a spoon. Hold on. Give me a little spoon. Okay, so boom. And then I chopped up some onions, some red pepper, and some jalapenos. You can use as much as these as you want. I usually would have put a little bit more jalapenos, but that's all I had left. So let me get me a knife. And I'm just gonna slip those in there along with the jalapenos. That's good. Gonna give that a stir. Yeah, and this is how you make your cashew cheese sauce. If you want yours a little bit thinner, just add more water. It's not a problem. So your water is gonna be based off of how thin or thick you want your sauce. So this is a little bit thicker, and that's okay. I ain't tripping about that, but yeah, if you want it thinner, just add more water. And so I got me some tortilla chips. Bussin', y'all. Yeah, I definitely gotta make this here. All right, but that's how you make it.